Okay, so now we're going to have a look at the Backplot toolbar. So I'm just going to load in a complete program again and pick up one of the files I just opened. Now I'm going to backplot or simulate this NC program by clicking this button. And you can see now it's drawing the NC program in this window for us. And we can play that. Have some controls here for speeding it up. So now we can see the tool going around, and you can see the cursor updating to show you which line of code draws that that toolpath. So we can stop that. We can double click inside this window, and the cursor will move to highlight that move. It also gives us some information on what type of move that is. So I can see that there's circular moves. We have a few options available. So we can turn off the rapid moves. So now all the yellow moves have gone. We can highlight arcs. So you can see now that most of that program is made up of arcs, and the white lines are G1 moves. We also have a solid simulation available. This only works on 3-axis milling toolpaths in the top plane, so it doesn't support 4-axis or 5-axis toolpaths. So the first thing that we need to do is set some stock. We can only set rectangular stock, and this is scan the NC program and given us some default values for the stock here. So I'm going to click on OK. Now we have to set the tools that we're using. So I'm just going to accept the default tools that I have here. Click OK. And you can see now it's made a solid simulation. Okay, so that's the professional version with none of the additional options installed in the system.